I'm Julius Sis, Executive Director of Jews for Judaism, and I'd like to invite you to attend a two-part mini-lecture series with Rabbi Michael Skobac entitled Imagining the Messianic Age Toward Identifying the Real Messiah and Why Jesus Does Not Qualify. Evangelical Christian missionaries claim that they have hundreds of biblical proofs that Jesus is the Jewish Messiah. Sounds pretty impressive, doesn't it? But why has Judaism rejected this claim for 2,000 years? In these 6 mini-lectures, Rabbi Skobac will explain how the concept of the Messiah has its foundation in our Jewish Bible, the Tanakh, which clearly teaches that all of the following 6 criteria of the Messianic age must be fulfilled before any person can be considered and acknowledged as the Messiah. Rabbi Skobac will deliver 3 mini-lectures each evening on the following 6 topics. On Thursday, October 30th, Rabbi Skobac will present first, Kickstarting the Redemption. Israel returns to God and Torah observance. When the Messiah reigns as king, then all the Jewish people will embrace the observance of the Torah and observe God's commandments. However, Jesus never ruled as king, nor have all the Jews embraced the commandments of God's Torah. The second presentation that evening will be Son of David, the lineage of the true Redeemer. Scripture teaches that the real Messiah must be a member of the tribe of Judah, but also a direct descendant of King David and also progeny of King Solomon. Genealogy in the Bible is only passed down from father to son. There is no evidence that Jesus had this pedigree, and the Christian Bible actually claims that Jesus did not have a birth father from the tribe of Judah, descending from King David and from King Solomon. The third presentation that evening will be the Great Return, the Messianic Ingathering of Israel. When the Messiah reigns as King of Israel, all the Jewish people will be ingathered from their exile, from the 4 corners of the earth, even from outer space, and return to their homeland Israel. This has clearly not yet happened, and we still await its fulfillment. The following Thursday, November 6th, Rabbi Skobac will present the next series of 3 mini-lectures, starting with The House of God, the restored Holy Temple in the Messianic Vision. The Holy Temple will be rebuilt in Jerusalem. The temple was still standing in Jesus' day and was destroyed 38 years after Jesus' crucifixion and has not yet been rebuilt. The second presentation that evening will be Global Connection to the Almighty, the worldwide embrace of God in the Messianic age. The Messiah will rule when there will be a universal knowledge of God. All the people of the world, Jews and Gentiles, will acknowledge and serve one true God. This as well has not taken place, and we await its fulfillment. The third and final presentation that evening will be Beat Swords into Plowshares, universal peace as a messianic criteria. There will be a worldwide reign of peace with universal disarmament and a complete end to war. Wars have increased dramatically in the world since the start of Christianity. So we have a big issue there. Looking forward to you attending this 2-part mini-lecture series on Thursdays, October 30th and November 6th, so mark your calendars, at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Again, there's no charge, free admission. You want to attend via Zoom or live attendance, but you must register. So to register, you can go to jewsforjudaism.ca /fall 25, or click on the link below this video in the description section and complete the registration form and send that in. Your Zoom login ID will be emailed 24 to 36 hours prior to the program start. To attend live, you have to be in the Toronto area, and you'll see the address for the synagogue in the ad. Okay, so for more information, just email info@jewsforjudaism.ca. Looking forward to seeing you at the program. Thank you.